Welcome back to another how-to tutorial video brought to you by Team EmpMonitor. Determining where to store that data can be a daunting challenge. Therefore, in today's video, we are going to show you how to manage the storage type for storing the employee's work-related details. To make the best decision, EmpMonitor provides you with the two options: Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive. All you need to do is to click Add Storage, and choose wherever you want to store the data. Google Drive, Amazon S3 Bucket or Microsoft OneDrive details have to be entered in order to integrate EmpMonitor with them. Select storage type, client ID, client secret, refresh token. Add the number of days after which the older data can be deleted. To edit the storage type, click on the Settings tab available, click on Edit Storage Type, edit the details and click on Update to save. To delete the storage type, click on the Settings tab available, click on Delete Storage Type. A pop-up will appear. Are you sure want to delete this storage type? If yes, then click on Yes or Cancel. So, this was a quick video on managing the storage of employees' work-related details. If you need any other help or face issues while changing the shift timings, feel free to write to us at support@empmonitor.com or contact us over Skype.